Hello, my Stampin' friends. It's Laura Milligan, and I am excited to share with you my Heartfelt Class to Go for September. It features the adorable Have a Hoot bundle of products, and if you follow me on my blog, you'll know that this was my top pick for the cutest product in the August to December mini catalog. These owls could not be any cuter. It's just cute, cute, cute. So this class kit will include, there are two different options. Option one includes the bundle, so it would be the stamp set and the dies, and then also a full pack of the Plaid Tidings 6x6 designer paper. This was the #1 seller when the August to December mini catalog was released. This was the #1 seller, the most popular product in the catalog. So we are going to give you a whole pack of that in this class. And then we'll also include card kits to make 3 different card designs, 2 of each, so that is a total of 6 cards. And let me just show you real quickly. You'd make 2 of these, 2 of these, and then 2 of this one. And if you don't do Halloween, we will be providing another layout with a non-Halloween card that you could do as well. Super cute cards. And that bundle, that option #1 would be $73. And the card kits are free. That is a thank you to you from me for ordering this class. So that's option one, $73. If you already have this bundle and want to switch it out and get something else, you can substitute any other product in any of our catalogs, totaling $51.25. You would still get the full pack of designer series paper, but you're welcome to switch out this bundle if you want. So that's option #1. Option #2, if you already have this bundle and you want to make sure that you have this bundle, you will definitely need it to complete the projects for this class. But if you already do have the bundle, then option 2 would be for you. And that will include the full pack of the Plaid designer series paper, and then the card kits to make the 6 cards, 2 each of 3 different designs. And that would be $30. If you're local to me, I do a back porch pickup for no additional charge, of course, but if you do need shipping, if you're not local to me, I will ship it to you. I ship priority mail, and that is $8. So we would just add that on to your class fee. You will need to provide a few additional supplies. You always would need your own adhesives. And then for this class, I used the Memento Black ink and some kind of coloring. My coloring tool of choice, of course, is our blends. And you will need pumpkin pie, cinnamon cider, Smoky Slate, cherry cobbler, and shaded spruce. If you don't have the blends, you could use whatever your favorite coloring tool is, but I love the blends, as you know, if you follow me at all, and I would encourage you to purchase them if you haven't, give them a try. And of course, if you don't have them and you need to add them on to your class, please just let me know, and I can happily do that for you. All right, so I'm going to just bring this stamp set back in. I do want to mention the stamp set covers different occasions. There's Halloween, there's Christmas, and winter. But you can also use these owls to create birthday cards, anniversary cards, that kind of thing. So it's not just limited to the holidays. Look how cute this is from Owl of Us. So it's kind of a year-round. You could tweak it a little bit to use it year-round. So I hope that you will consider taking this class. Registration opens today, September 4th, and will end on September 15th. I will have a registration link below in the email, or if you're looking at this on YouTube, there will be a registration link in the description below. So please feel free to email me, laura@lauramilligan.com, if you have any questions or if I can help you register for this class. Thank you so much, everyone. And as always, I hope you have time to be creative today.